Welcome back to our Summit Series installation guide. We've finished all the hard work of running our handrail across both level and stair sections, so now we're ready to install our cable infill. If you missed either of the previous videos, be sure to tap the link in the upper right-hand corner. All cables for the Summit Series come pre-cut and pre-crimped, so it's just a matter of driving in the set screws with a 3/32 Allen wrench. Installing the actual cable is pretty simple, but there are a few things to watch out for. We'll start with your top railing first, making sure that every cable end is at least flush with the handrail. On sections longer than 4 feet, we'll skip the center hole since that's where we'll be installing the support bar. We're not going to secure the bottom just yet because the tension will make the support bar installation much more difficult. To install our support bar, we'll just set it in place and secure the set screws with an 1/8" Allen wrench. With that support bar in place, we'll go through our whole railing and secure the bottom set screws before tensioning each of our lines. Properly tensioned cables will feel like a bass guitar string. Over time, your project is going to settle and you may notice cables loosening. There's plenty of room in the set screw channels to tighten up any loose lines. There you have it, a beautiful cable railing for your deck. At this point, you should be finished with your project, but if you need any extra help or resources, be sure to catch the next video. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.